just received my 5th pair of Jordan 3 Black Cats. But it's all good. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And in this huge box here, I got another Kith cereal t-shirt collab. I don't even know what you call it, but it's super dope. I've got like everyone, almost everyone, even the Kith treat joints. So we're going to review Kith for the Lunar year. This came out last week. It was only 4 pieces. I only caught one, but it's a dope piece, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So last week, Kith gave me early access to the Kith for Lunar year, and I never pass up early access, man. But I thought it was dope, man. I liked all the stuff there, and then seeing the flowers reminded me that it might match with the Wizard of Oz dunks, man. These are nice. So once I saw the flowers, I automatically thought of these joints. So that's why I really copped more than just the early access. Yes, sir. So besides the Cheerio joint, the Kith joint, and the last one I just showed y'all, the breakfast cereal waffle, I forgot what his name. I had the Kith for Hanukkah last year. That was dope. I had a few, man, but we're going to get into this joint right here. Like I told you, it was only like 4 to 5 pieces. Usually I go with the hoodie, but after that Kith for BMW situation, I'm hoodied out, man. I got way too many Kith hoodies, but Kith, just they presentation is super dope. Like my look how the BMW jacket came, man. Nice big Kith box, super dope, man. But let's get into this. So inside you got the gold with the snake in the back. I was about to say dragon. You know it's the year of the snake. Nike's using it as the year of the mamba. And this is just the box with all of these bells and whistles. You can see Kith in the background, like highlighted. All of them usually have it, but it looks super dope on the red. It looks just like a cereal box. Got the Kith logo there. You know, like where the nutrition stuff would be, you got it here. And then in the back, you got like the shirt, the sweater, everything dope. So let's open it up. I'm not gonna lie, this is the first time it was actually glued in. Usually it's like one side is open, so you can glue it in close it in yourself. But this one was actually glued on both ends. And here we go, guys. It's also something else rattling here, as you can see on the sticker right there. It's a free marker inside. So you get a Kith Treats. Kith Treats marker also. It's dope. But let's get to the tea. So you got your clear plastic. It's not a Monday program situation, so you don't get the Monday program packaging, which is super dope. You get the clear package. It reads Kith Treats Plum Blossom Tea. Oh, so it was a Kith Treats Lunar joint. I thought it was just Kith. Let's check it out. Beautiful material, guys. You know Kith is made in Peru. Beautiful material, man. So let's start with the tag. The tag always shows what it is. So it says Kith and then it says Treats. So it is a Kith Treats tee. Nice Kith logo, Kith Treats with the flowers in the back. Soft material, cashmere, like a pop out right there. Chanel patch situation. Pink flowers, blossom flowers, super dope. I really think it'll match with the Wizard of Oz. Let's see. I know I'm the one that's usually doing the hottest styles, but y'all tell me how that look. But yeah, man, just a quick video on the Kith Treats for Lunar year, for Lunar. I love this material, man. Super soft. This is dope. I I might have a Kith problem. Yeah, guys, so over the last couple of months, I showed you a Kith for Batman. Probably one of my favorites. Kith for BMW every year is my favorite. As long as I own one, that's going to be one of my favorites. Kith for Sesame Street shocked me. I really like that. I really like that one. And I'm sure it was a couple others, man. The latest one was this one I told y'all. This was the waffle joint I was telling y'all about. I must have put the shirt somewhere, but this one was super dope too. Let me know how y'all feel about that. And real quick, I got early access today for Kith for the New York Rangers. I only caught one shirt today, but the release is tomorrow. So tomorrow at 11, I might double back to see what's up. But let me show y'all quick what's going on there. Little pricey, but some of y'all into hockey, some of y'all like the Rangers, so y'all might not care. I'm not into hockey, but I'm New York Rangers. That's probably only New York team I root for besides the Yankees. And I love red, white, and blue. But that's a quick access there for you guys to check out. Like I said, I only brought one shirt today, but I might get more. If I get more, I get in front of the camera, give y'all a review. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.